Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make two columns with borders in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Microsoft, click on the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating two columns with borders on Microsoft Word can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, you can use two columns with borders to differentiate between different types of content such as text and images or main content and sidebars, enhancing readability and comprehension. Now, when presenting comparative information such as pros and cons or before and after scenarios, using two columns with borders allows you to display the information side by side, facilitating comparison and analysis. And by placing important information in one column with a contrasting border, you can draw attention to it and make it stand out from the rest of the content. Now, for us to be able to do that, the first thing what we are going to do is, okay, so from here, all right, point your active cursor on the section that you wanted to put the two columns. And from here, click on the insert. If you're in the page layout, go to the insert option and go to shapes. Obviously, you need to select the rectangle, okay, and draw the rectangle here on your active window. Now, from here, you need to click on the shape fill, right, and select on the no color. Now, choose on the shape outline. You can use different colors from here. You can choose a red. Obviously, you can choose the blue one. You also have the shape effects, but that we're not gonna dive deep in that. And again, from here, all we have to do is repeat the process. You can simply Control and Control V, Control C and Control V. That means copy and paste. And we can simply drag this one right here, side by side, all right? But if you don't want that, we are going to do the same again for these steps. Click on Insert, click on Shapes, and click on Rectangle again. All right, so for those who are new in our channel, that's how you're gonna do it. And click on this one. And for in this instance, we are going to again select the no fill, but for now we are going to choose a different color, which is gonna be red. All right, and basically that's how you make two columns with the borders in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.